Hi everyone, this is a collaboration hosted by At Home with Zane and it's Decorate My Space. So I hope you enjoy. What I'll be decorating is my fireplace mantle here, and you've probably seen this before on a previous video, so I'll be redecorating my mantle. So I'll be redecorating this whole section here and mainly the mantle. And this is my inspiration right here. This lamp base, antique lamp base, was a Thrifty Find, and I just added the lampshade to it. And these flowers are from Michael's. And the books inside the bookends are DIY covers that I put on books. And these Peacock bookends are from Ross. And these assortment of flowers are from Walmart. And this is it all done. So from this, to this. I would like to thank Zane for hosting this collaboration, and don't forget to check out the other participants in Decorate My Space collaboration. Which one did you like, the first or the second one? Don't forget to comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and share. I need to get more subscribers on my channel. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. I do weekly DIYs and home decor. So thank you and keep watching.